AutoCAD Electrical consists of tool sets that help electrical designers to create circuits, panel drawings, wiring, and other electrical drawings. To get started with this software, first of all, I'm going to show you how to open a new drawing and explain about the other part of this software. For creating a new drawing, we can use AutoCAD menu, which can be seen here. After clicking on it, we need to select New. A new dialog box, which is named Select Template, will be open and it includes the templates instances. Templates provide us predefined items. For example, our default template, which is AutoCAD DWT, has measurement criteria, inches and foot, which is named Imperial, and if you want to use metric measurement criteria, you can select ISO template. At this time, I'm going to select this template, so I choose it, then a new drawing will be opened. First of all, I want to take a look at the interface. There are several parts to this interface. The first one is ribbon. It consists of different parts. In the tab Home, you can see different sections and each part is separated from other by a line. In the left side, you have Project Manager and Details. Project area contains list of projects and drawings. In the bottom section, we can see Command section. Here you can type the name of the command and use it. Also, it can help us to see the command sequence to execute them. Instead of clicking on each command, you can type the name of it in the command section. You will need to zoom in or zoom out on the screen or see the desired part of your drawing. One of the methods to do that is using wheel of your mouse. Scrolling the mouse wheel makes it possible to zoom in or zoom out. Just move the cursor to the point that you want to zoom, then scroll mouse. To see the other method, you need to just right-click on the screen, then a new menu will be displayed. Here we have Pan tool. After selecting this tool, a symbol such a hand will be appeared. At this moment, when you just keep the mouse on left-click mode, by moving the mouse, the screen will be displaced. It helps you to go through your desired point of drawing. To exit this mode, you need to press Escape. This section was a summary of general tools needed to get started with this software. In the following sections, you will learn the details of essential tools.